Hi guys, how you doing? I hope everybody's doing well. We miss you so much here at COA. I'm Miss Megan. Today we're gonna make some no-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies. Make sure you grab an adult at home so you can do this together. The first thing you're gonna need to do is grab a bowl, medium size, and you're gonna need to get all your ingredients, which you're gonna find on our blog. Make sure the adult at home is helping you because we are gonna use some heat as well. I need everybody to just follow these instructions and you're gonna have some really yummy cookies, okay? The first thing we're gonna need to do is, in our bowl, combine our butter. This is already measured out, but you're gonna need about a half cup of butter, okay? Or you can use coconut oil for our friends that are doing a little bit of a healthier meal going on, okay? So go ahead and put the butter in the bowl. Then you're also going to need to take a half cup of milk. And you're gonna need to add some cocoa powder. This is gonna be that yummy chocolate taste, okay? You're gonna do 1/4 cup of that. You wanna tap it and make sure it's nice and even. And if you can, and you have a spoon, flatten it out to make sure you have the exact amount. I know we all love chocolate. All right, go ahead and put that in the bowl. After you add your cocoa powder, you're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar. Go ahead and pour it in. After you add your white sugar, you're gonna add brown sugar, and it's gonna be 1/4 cup. Once that is all done, we're gonna go ahead and place all of our ingredients that are in the bowl in the microwave for about 60 seconds. Again, make sure an adult does this with you. All right, guys, welcome back. Now that everything is off the heat, we're gonna go ahead and add all of our ingredients from our small bowl into a big bowl. Once you do that, we're gonna wanna go ahead and take our quick oats. You're gonna do 1½ cups. Do it over the bowl because anything extra that falls in, we can use. After you do your quick oats, you're gonna wanna do 1½ cups of rolled oats. Now, once you do that, we are going to add some peanut butter. Here at COA, we're using sunflower butter to avoid any nut allergies. You can do the same at home. The peanut butter is really sticky, so you may need to use another spoon to scrape it all in. And we're gonna add as well a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Have mom, dad, or any adult at home do this with you, because if you put too much, this stuff will not taste good. Now we're gonna stir until it's all combined. It starts to get kind of thick so you can make cookies out of it. All right, guys, once everything's all stirred in and nice and smooth, we're gonna go ahead and take our spoon and you're gonna wanna place it onto a cookie sheet. Here we have aluminum foil. You can use wax paper, anything to just kind of let it sit. You're gonna wanna use another spoon and kind of put it down and make it like a cookie. And we're gonna do that with the whole entire bowl. So make sure you're spreading them out so they don't, once they start sitting, they'll start to spread like a cookie and they'll start to mix together, and you don't want that to happen. So go ahead and spread them out about a spoon length. And once you do all of that, we are going to put them on a counter. And I know you're gonna wanna eat them right away because they smell really yummy and they taste really good, but you gotta let them sit for about 1 hour to 2 hours. So go take your afternoon nap, and when you wake up, you'll be good to go, all right? I hope everybody tries this at home and really enjoys it, because we do here, and I know it'll be a lot of fun. Again, we miss you guys, and we'll see you soon, okay?